hand fully flat on it, you know? It's handy for if you're doing any of that South American music, you know, they have a kind of the claves, which took me years to get my head around, but it's handy to play this for your clave and to keep the shaker going. And it's kind of nice if you want to make yourself busy, just in case you're giving up smoking or drinking. You know? So what you can do is you do one rhythm with your left hand, do another rhythm with your right hand, and you'll be alright. You know what I mean? That's nice. So I'll be playing for the da 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 da. Like 2/3, something like that. It's nice. I won't do too much, otherwise I'll be dizzy. It's a lovely activity. I used to play with a friend. I travelled with him for a bit. Big Robbie Tawler.